In this video, I will show how to create a shortcut in Microsoft Word for any symbol. So there is the easy and simple way, like you want to create degree Celsius symbol shortcut. So click on insert, then symbol, more symbols. Here find out any particular symbol for what you want to create a shortcut. Like you want to create a shortcut for degree symbol, select it. Now click on shortcut key. Now create any combination like Alt plus 7. So make sure you create a new and unique shortcut which is not available before in Microsoft Office. Like Control S is available for saving a document, Control C for cut, Control V for paste. So you should not use that one. You should make any unique combination like Control 7 then click on assign and close it. Now press Control 7 like Control 7 then assign. Now close it and press Control 7 like this. You can create a symbol for shortcut for any symbol. I will show you another example symbol, more symbols, and now this time I want a shortcut for I need a shortcut for black circle. So select it and click on shortcut key, and here create your unique shortcut like Control 999 like Control 999, then click on assign, close it and type here Control 999. So this way you can create a shortcut in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.